The war that could break the world. US, Israel versus Iran. What if, in a single night, the Middle East was set on fire? What if tensions that had been building for decades finally exploded into all-out war? A coordinated assault, thousands of airstrikes, missiles raining across borders. In this scenario, the United States and Israel launch a devastating attack on Iran, targeting its leadership, military bases, and nuclear infrastructure. But Iran does not fall quietly. Instead, it responds with overwhelming force, threatening not just the region, but the entire global economy. This is the story of a war that could reshape the world. For years, tensions between Israel, Iran, and the United States have been rising. Iran's nuclear ambitions, Israel's security concerns, and America's strategic dominance in the region all collide in a fragile balance. In this scenario, intelligence reports suggest Iran is on the verge of achieving a major nuclear breakthrough. Faced with what they see as an existential threat, Israel, backed by the United States, makes a decisive move. The objective? Cripple Iran before it becomes untouchable. Under the cover of darkness, the operation begins. Stealth aircraft penetrate Iranian airspace, cyber attacks disable radar systems, and within hours, over 2,000 coordinated strikes hit military installations, nuclear facilities, command centers. Iran's air defenses are overwhelmed, ports are bombed, air bases are reduced to rubble, naval assets in the Persian Gulf are destroyed. The goal is clear: eliminate Iran's ability to respond. But it doesn't work. Iran strikes back. Within hours, Iran retaliates. Hundreds of ballistic missiles are launched toward key targets across the region: military bases, oil facilities, major cities. At the same time, thousands of drones swarm through the skies, designed to overwhelm defenses. The Gulf states are caught in the crossfire. Oil refineries burn, airports shut down, shipping lanes become war zones. The conflict spreads far beyond its original battlefield. Global shockwaves. The world begins to feel the consequences almost immediately. The Persian Gulf, one of the most important energy corridors on Earth, is thrown into chaos. Oil tankers stop moving, prices skyrocket, global markets panic, countries dependent on energy imports face economic strain, while major powers scramble to respond. The fear? This is no longer just a regional war, it's becoming a global crisis. Escalation or collapse. As the conflict intensifies, the risks grow. Other nations could be drawn in, alliances could shift, and a wider war could erupt, one that no one can control. The question is no longer who wins, but how far it goes. This scenario may be hypothetical, but the tensions behind it are very real. In a region where history, power, and ideology collide, even a single spark could ignite something far greater. The real question is, how close are we to this becoming reality?